With Samsung's 2025 foldables now officially launched, all eyes are turning to the highly anticipated Galaxy S26 series. While the official release is still months away, early leaks and rumors are already painting a fascinating picture of what Samsung might bring to the table in 2026. Calendar Galaxy S26 release date predictions. Samsung tends to follow a consistent launch schedule for its flagship Galaxy S series. Galaxy Unpacked 2025 was held on January 22. Unpacked 2024 took place on January 17. Both events were hosted in San Jose, California. Based on this pattern, we expect the Galaxy S26 launch event to occur in late January or early February 2026, with a wider release following about 2 weeks later. This timing places it neatly between CES and MWC, ensuring maximum media attention. Mobile phone. How many Galaxy S26 models will there be? Rumors suggest Samsung may reduce the number of models in the S26 lineup. The Galaxy S25 series included 4 models: S25, S25 Plus, S25 Edge, and S25 Ultra. The S26 lineup may drop the Plus variant, replacing it with the Galaxy S26 Edge. This move mirrors Apple's rumored shift from the iPhone 17 Plus to the iPhone 17 Air. Moneybag Galaxy S26 pricing expectations. While official pricing is still under wraps, early reports indicate that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite successor, likely the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, will cost the same as its predecessor. This could help Samsung maintain similar pricing across the S26 lineup. Here's a quick look at Galaxy S25 pricing for reference. Model starting price. Galaxy S25 $799. S25 Plus $999. S25 Edge $1,099. S25 Ultra $1,299. Pen. Will the Galaxy S26 support the S Pen? One of the more controversial rumors suggests the Galaxy S26 Ultra may drop S Pen support, similar to the Z Fold 7. This could be due to Samsung's push for Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging, which may require removing the digitizer layer needed for the S Pen. The base Galaxy S26 is expected to retain its 50MP main camera, but with a larger sensor for better low-light performance. Battery and charging. Bigger, faster, smarter? Battery rumors are mixed, but here's what we've heard. Possible use of silicon-carbon battery tech for higher energy density. Battery capacity could reach 6,000 to 7,000 mAh, though some leaks suggest the Ultra may stick to 5,000 mAh. Charging speed may finally jump from 45W to 60W, helping Samsung compete with faster-charging Chinese rivals. Gear performance. Snapdragon vs Exynos. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 featuring 4.6 GHz CPU. 1.22 GHz GPU. This is a notable upgrade from the current Elite chip's 4.47 GHz CPU. However, Samsung may also reintroduce Exynos chips in some regions, as seen with the Z Flip 7. The rumored Exynos 2600 could power international variants, though performance concerns remain.